Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Equip loadout for speed and burst damage, not tanking. Pick targets under 60% health or isolated from teammates. Approach from an angle that denies their cover. Once in range, pop your adrenaline and use skill 1 to open with a high damage strike. This amplifies follow-ups and stuns some classes. Move immediately after the hit to avoid counterfire and maintain pressure while your cooldowns begin refreshing. You now transition into the core execution. Chain a quick interrupt or stun, then immediately follow with your heavy attack and finishing skill. Timing matters, about 1 second windows between inputs. Use terrain to break their aim and to bait predictable dodges, then punish the dodge with a read attack. If an ally is nearby, call the target and synchronize bursts so damage overlaps. This focus sequence guarantees the kill points rather than split damage that allows escape. You complete the run by confirming the kill with a finishing move and looting within the game's capture window so points register. Once done, disengage quickly, use heals, reset cooldowns, and reposition to avoid being caught by respawning foes. If the burst fails, don't tunnel. Switch to kiting and ranged harassment to bleed them while you recover. This keeps pressure and often forces mistakes you can punish on the next engagement. One key tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.